Students, it is Priyanka here and I'm going to teach you science today, and today's topic is circulatory system. Students, before we start the topic, I'm going to ask you some questions. Whenever we play with our friends or we are running or jumping and doing any extra work, why our breathing becomes so fast? Why our heartbeat becomes faster? Do you know about that? Because that time we are doing some extra works, and for that extra work we need some extra energy too. And that energy we get from oxygen, and that oxygen is provided by blood, and blood is transported by circulatory system, our heart. That's why our heart beat faster than usual time. These and all are the part of circulatory system. So we will discuss these things in today's topic, that is circulatory system. First of all, I want to give you some small introduction of circulatory system. What is the circulatory system? In earlier classes, we have discussed many organ systems, many different organ systems. Among those organ systems, circulatory system is one of the most important organ system. Okay. So what is the circulatory system? The circulatory system is responsible for the transportation of oxygen, nutrients, water and metabolic waste. Okay. It is an organ system which circulates blood through a network of blood vessels. It regulates our body temperature. It transports waste products to the excretory organs for removal from the body. It protects the body from the infections and germs. It helps in blood clotting and prevent excessive blood loss in case of any injury. Whenever we get hurt, if bleeding is started, then with the help of blood clotting, it prevents us with the major blood loss. Okay. Now we will discuss about the different organs which are there in circulatory system. Okay. So there are three major organs in circulatory system. Here it is: the heart, blood vessels and blood. These are the main parts of the circulatory system. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about heart. What is a heart? A human heart is a muscular pumping organ. It is located in the chest cavity, slightly towards the left, enclosed in a sac. The adult human heart is about the size of a fist. Whenever you make a fist of your palm, if you want to know the size of your heart, then you have to make the fist of your palm, and whatever the size of the fist of your palm, it will be the size of your heart. Okay. Your heart is protected by the rib cage. If you want to know what is the rib cage, we will discuss it in the next chapters, skeletal system. Rib cage is a cage-like structure in our chest part, which protects our major organs, including heart. Okay. So the heart is built like a double-story building. If you want to know this, then I am going to show you this diagram. This is the diagram of the human heart. You can see this human heart. Okay. So human heart is built like a double-story building with two chambers in each story. Okay. On the lower side, there are two chambers, right ventricle and left ventricle. Okay. In the upper side, there are two chambers, right auricles and